NinjaTrader. Look, I've got this big trade in here. It's kind of I took it because it hit this line. It's not obeying at this point. Wow. Let's see if we can get down here. I still think it could obey. It's pretty far down there. It was a really good trade though. It was an RSI touch. See? It was an RSI touch. I'm going to let it get down here. I'm going to do it again. Let it get down to right there. Yeah. I'm going to be patient and wait till it gets down there. It could play around here at this point. Let's see. I'm okay with taking one more if it gets down to this line. I don't think it's possible that it wins on the top side. I'm going to wait till it hits this bottom line here. Yeah, it's kind of playing early there, isn't it? It didn't get all the way down yet. It still acts like it wants to. It did not obey this line here where I took it. So that'll be a loss for the first trade Monday morning. This looks like it's going to turn here though. It does look like it's going to turn there. I'm probably going to have to abandon this trade because unless it gets back down here. I'm going to set my line here because it could go down this way. Yeah, it kind of hit there. It wanted to RSI touch here, but it didn't. Last time it hit this level, it turned around and skyrocketed. In fact, the last couple times it's hit down there, it's skyrocketed. Let's see if it can get down there again. It's got down pressure. I'm going to go ahead and take it now. I could regret this that I took it too early, but this is the new setup right here. This right here is the new setup. So as long as it doesn't break this, we're good. We'll call this a new the new whatever this is called. The new, what is this called? Action. This yellow line is an action line. Actually. Now it's playing. If it breaks down to that bottom level, I'm gonna take another one. Let's see. I hope it doesn't. I hope it just goes up and from here and just wins. But if it hits down here, I'm gonna double it up. It would have to jump down there. It's got 54 seconds playing up on there. It wants to go back up. Let's see from the bottom here. Yeah. Okay, I hope this wins. I hope it doesn't retract at all. I don't want any more retractions. Don't want to lose another trade on this chart. It's getting kind of close there. 20 seconds. Come on, baby, break up. Break up. Break up. Break up. Break up. Break up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, baby, break up. Oh, it lost. It lost. See what it's going to do. 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it could. It could go either way. This could continue down. I was just on the wrong moment here on this one. Let's see what else we got here. There it goes, finally. Okay. Yeah. 2 of these lost. Yeah. See, now it's just tanking up. Finally. It's finally doing what I thought it was going to do the whole time. But it's up there now. That was the it's like a retest of that line down there. Look how far it's going down there. I think we're going to go up from here. I need to find, let's see here. Let's see where this one is. USD CAD, where is that? There it is. Okay, there's fine. We'll put it all the way to the left. Hopefully it is finally going to go up. See if we can go find a really nice 10-minute thing going on here. Yeah, let's see here. Well, we'll play. We want to watch this one because this one's this one's actually dangerous. This one's dangerous. Yeah. Yeah. Well. Yeah, I'm on a live stream. My people are knocking on my door. Okay, this one's down. I'm gonna have to hit this when it goes down here. It's playing. It's playing that bottom. I think it retested that top. I think this could win, and maybe if it wins, it just keeps going. See, it's kind of in and out of the money right here. Let's see, what is it doing in 10 seconds? Yeah, it could go either way. Yeah, we'll double that up there on 10 seconds. That was a notcher of a thing. 8-7. Okay, that was a double up. 6-5. There you go, 2. That's a win and a win. I kind of want to wait till it gets down to this bottom and take another one because that would be it. So that was a very good. I mean, look at that. That hit that line. That's the line that I thought it was going to hit, and it hit it multiple times. It could go down there and hit that again. If it does hit that again, then I'm going to take 1 minute. Yeah. It's not hard. It's got a hard line there. The problem is with this one, this is the middle ground right here. I want that to hit down there. It's really in consolidation, but I think I might leave this chart because it's consolidation at the bottom of a red candle. It doesn't have any upper, like it could go lower is what I'm saying. What I'm saying when I look at this, it could actually go lower. You know, I think it wants to go higher, but it doesn't mean that it didn't. It played lower for a long time, and it's real bad consolidation point right there. It's not really. If I look at this consolidation point in terms of the far back time, you know, It could expand. It's expanded in and out of this zone so many times that I just don't want to play with it, you know, because it's trying to get under there, you know. It's a big old candle. Yeah, it reached the level. Now, if it RSI touches down here, then I think I could do it. Yeah. Well, see, now it's going through. I'm not going to do that because that could jump up or it could go down. And really, honestly, it broke out of that to the downside. So that's actually pretty strong down movement. It's broken through multiple times. I don't trust it. Yeah, I don't trust it. Look for another one. Oh, yeah, now this one right here has been up at this point quite a bit, actually. So we can trust this one to go back down. Kind of back and forth. It did play hard off this. It's in the middle. Yeah, it's kind of playing off that bottom. It's been up that. It's been up to this level a bunch. This has got big old candles both directions. Just not sure if this is going to make it up there or not. Let's look at it. What's this one look like in 10 seconds? Wow. Yeah. I mean, it could break hard off this. It's in the middle. It could go to an RSI touch. I would have to get down there though. Oh, look at that. Break hard. There you go. What a great move that was. It's moving all over the place. Probably not going to mess with this anymore. That one went, okay, that one finally broke above that 10. If it doesn't retract like right away here, we'd be in trouble. It's in a 30 seconds. It's in a 1 minute. In a 30 seconds. It could return. The problem is it can return to this level as a test instead of a break, you know. I did what I did. Let's just say that I did what I did. I did what I did, you know. I did what I did, and it's going to play there. Let's see what happens. 30. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty tight. This is a pretty strong level. This is a very, very, very strong level. Still in the money. Let's see what it's going to play, how it's going to play. Got a minute left. Oh, yeah, it could consolidate up here. Let's see here. If it goes back up to here, then I'll double it up. But it would have to shoot straight up there. I hope it just turns around here and wins. It's got 45 seconds. Yeah, let's do it there. That was kind of a tight, that was kind of a small climb. Let's see. So this is a double up. In my trading, now these could both win. If they do, I'll have I have really good profit if both of these win. But if they both lose, I'll be down too. So let's see. This looks dangerous. 12 seconds. I'm into the 10-second candles right now. Looking at the 10-second candles right now. Let's see if this can pull down. 5, 4. Oh, look at that. There. 3, 2. There. Oh. Okay. Oh man, it was just off by. So it was a win and a loss. Not great. Yeah, that was kind of disappointing. Well, good that I saved it, but disappointing in the fact that it would have won had it been just off by 10 seconds. Interesting trading day. Let's see if we can find something that looks really promising, because oh wow, look at that. So this was off this bottom here. Let's see if we can get this off the bottom. Yeah. Let's pop this off the bottom. Now, if that breaks, absolutely could break and lose, or being that this is a 10-minute candle, it's holding tight at the very bottom there, that could win. It could be a good win. I'm gonna take that one as a. When I took that as a longer trade, just because, honestly, it looks like it's really good position, as long as it doesn't break. Next line of, I can't really tell. This would be the next. That's okay. It could turn around and go back up there. It looks like it kind of does want to. RSI touch off the bottom here. Yeah, let's see. RSI touch. Yeah, like it kind of went down a little lower than it was. Then it sort of starts to go back up. See in the 30-minute. So it's sort of a downtrend. It's kind of been up and then it went down, then it went up and then down. Does it feel like it's trying to get to this level? If it does, then that's not great. I mean, but it's hard to know, because that is heading up now. I'm just gonna let that be. I don't want to lose 2 trades off this. My position is pretty good, but I think I'm just gonna let it fly. I'm gonna go look for some other big 30-minute levels. Oh, look at that. Wow, yeah, that's good. That's a big 30-minute level right down here. Again, it's got like this weird, like it's going down, but it wants to turn around and go back up. Kind of bounced off that there. 10 minutes. Yeah, well, we're gonna take this if it gets down there to that line. It'll have to go down pretty good. In terms of 30 minutes, yeah, if we can get it to, yeah, you're gonna keep going down. Maybe it can touch down here. That's where it's kind of trying to touch. Last time it touched, it went down here and touched. Yeah, last time it touched down there. I think it's going to go through here, though. This is a 5-minute. This is a 1-minute trend. This is a wind up. 1-minute wind up. I think this one is going to win. It's winding up. It really, what I think it's doing is winding up to go down this level. So we'll watch this one. Euro TRY. Okay, it's not got a lot of time left. This one was short, 20 seconds. This is a 1-minute. Come on, baby. Oh, it's got 15 seconds. There, it's in the money. Can it take it down? Can it take it down? 11 seconds, 10. It's kind of touching off that bottom. All I needed to do is go down off that bottom. See, it's not going to. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Yeah, see, now it's... I gotta be patient here because I'm gonna go back to 2 minutes and look for a... Let's go on to this one. This one can win. It's got 35 seconds. We'll just still be back where we started, which is kind of frustrating. We've just been kind of winning and losing some. But I did pick this one right. 30 seconds off the bottom. It's kind of pulled back. It's kind of pulled back and it's waiting 15 seconds. As long as it doesn't do some weird, crazy shoot down, then we'll have this one. So I had a loss, a win, a win. There we go. So I had a loss, and then I had a win, a win. Then I had a win, a loss. That was a double. Then I had a win, a loss. So every time I lose, I'm losing. Let's see here. What's this one look like? 10 minutes? Yeah, see, this one looks like it's just heading up. I'm not really sure if this one's going to stop up here or it's going to keep going, but it's right about where it wants to stop. Let's see what it looks like in 30 seconds. Yeah, see, this one could turn around and it could keep going. This is about where it turned around last time. You know, it had a big line right there. Let's pop it out right there. So all I can do at this point is, I mean, I guess I could look for a, I need to look for, oh, there it goes. It's breaking through. I need to look for a consolidation point. This one right here. Let's see here, 30 minutes. Yeah, see, it looks like it's gone both ways on this. I had 2 minutes on this, so it could definitely turn around. We'll watch that. We'll look for a 10-minute. Because that could be my win right there. Yeah, it's turning around. It's got big wicks on it. It's got big wicks on, and it hit that white line. I was waiting for it to hit that line. I was waiting for it to hit like, well, I mean, that line is probably as far as it needs to go. Yeah, waiting for it to hit that line and wick down. A minute left. Definitely could go down. It kind of retracted and then it wants to go back down. So I like that. I like that it could go down. It's got a minute left. We'll watch and see what happens at 92%. A very big wick on the 10-minute. Yeah, it's got a big wick on the 10-minute. It's fighting up there though, isn't it? It's fighting up. 30 seconds. It needs to break this bottom line right here. Period. Period needs it, bro. There it goes. Okay. It needs to break that bottom line, period. There we go. There we go. I think it will. Hold down now. So it's got 12 seconds. We're at 30-second candles. That looks good. This will be a win. So what can we do now? What can we do now? Okay. There we go. That did win. I mean, if it breaks up there again, is it going to go far? It kind of stopped. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. These charts are kind of weird today. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This 1 minute chart is going to go down from here. So let's just take that one. All right. That was a pretty good position based on a really long, tall line. This is a 2 minute. This is also a 2 minute. Now, there has been a little bit of what you would want to call. So let's look at this. If this one wins, which it totally could still, 37.94 plus basically 192. 197, let's say. See, 39.91. 39.91. Okay, so if this one wins, put us in the 39.91. I don't know, there's not moving very fast, and it's kind of moving up. But it is slowing down up top. It is up there slowing down. It had been moving up quite a bit, right? I'm going to take another one off this top here for 3. Oh, wow. Okay, so 39.91 would have been, yeah, would have been good, but I'm not going to, unless they both win, I won't have that now. Let's see here. They're both losing now. I'm not going to double this up anymore because that is definitely a runaway. Yeah, it's a runaway for, oh, because it's at the top of this. That's the top of the day, top of the hour. Top of the day, top of the hour. Yeah. That one lost at the bottom. Okay, so this one lost. And then 105. This one still could win. Let's look back. Let's look and see if it's going to actually pull back. Okay, so it's kind of going down, but it's, you know, I guess this one could go down. If this breaks the bottom of this white candle, if it closes the bottom of this white candle, I'm going to take another put. Just because I think this could go down 42 seconds. Let's see what this looks like. It's putting, yeah, okay. That's if this shoves down. That's if this shoves down to this line right here, which it doesn't. It kind of looks like it's retracting off of that line, but that's the line we're looking for it to break in the next 26 seconds. If it can break that line in 20 seconds, we're good. Yeah. 15 seconds. It kind of feels like it's moving off that line, doesn't it? Here we go. There we go, 5. Yeah, see, it kind of feels like it wants to, but it's not. Okay, so that's a loss. 36.89. Okay, we're down 2, I think. Yeah, that's actually a pretty big uptrend. Pretty big breaking uptrend. It's just out of nowhere. I don't want to play with this one. Let's not play with that one, okay? Let's not play with that one. What's that one? CHF NUC. Okay. Let's play with this one. Let's play with this one. We're kind of on the low side there, but that's all right because that's what it looks like in 10. It hit this big line. It's going to go down. Yeah, I should have hit that one more. Yeah, okay, so this one's probably going to go down unless it goes up 30 seconds or 30 minutes. It looks like this. Hit that bottom line and hit this. It's got the really, really big line up here. Yeah, if it gets back up to here, I could double that up. I want it to just start tanking, but it's not doing that, is it? Oh, yeah, let's see. This one's up there. Second 30. Sorry, if it gives me a little push. There, it's a good, that's decent. I'm in an okay position. I'm kind of trying to retract. There we go. There we go. Let's see what it looks like in 10. Okay, played the top. Played the top. It's got the bottom. it's pretty scary. This one is. But I think if this goes down from this one, you know. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Hold the bottom. Hold the bottom. Hold the bottom. It's kind of in the, there we go, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yep, baby. Yeah. Okay, good. That's a win. Mm-hmm. It's not doing terrible here. Just not. I think it's going to pop high. See how it went up real high and then it popped back down. I'm going to get out here and look. Okay. I mean, it could go up to there even. Yeah, I guess if it goes up there, boom, I guess if it goes up there, I'll take it. Hopefully it doesn't break. It has been kind of breaking different places, hasn't it? I think that'll hold because it got up really high. It's testing that line right there. Last time it hit that line, it went so hard down. You know. Let's watch it again. Let's watch it get up there. It's playing on that line. There, I'm taking my chances on that. I'm taking my chances on this to retract here. Let's see here. It could go down anytime. In the 10 second, it looks like it will. It is playing though, playing high and tight. It's kind of consolidating in that, but I think it's going to turn in this. Yeah, baby, here we go. 12 seconds. That top one's going to win. My first one's going to win, and then it looks like my other one could win too, as long as it stays down here. We'll have one, which is 201. So it'll be, let's see where we're at, 37.77 plus 201, 39.78. That's got to win this. This has got to win. I don't have to, but I'm going to take that too. I'll take that 1.5 on the top there. Baby, let's hold this down. 11 seconds. It's got 11 seconds. Hold it down, baby. Hold it down. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. That's a big, big line. 4, 3. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. There he goes. There he goes. Okay. That one won. Okay. That one won. That was my second win. 38.74. So I'm in the money right now. So I don't have to be too hasty on this. I got 54 seconds. All I got to do is get one more version of what you call a consolidation candle. One more consolidation candle. And that's what it's been doing. So I don't want a breakout candle here. Look at that. It might be a breakout candle. Let's just hold off. Whoa. Holy catromples. Look what just happened. 30 seconds. All right. So unless this is a massive retraction, then we'll be at 38.74, which will be a profit, which might be the only thing that we want to do today. 30 seconds, 1 minute. 17. That's really high up there. I mean, that went up there so fast. I mean, if this wins, it'd be a miracle. Thank God. If this could win, it could be a miracle. Thank Lord. 8 seconds. Let's watch this thing push straight down. 5, 4, 3, 2. It's going to hold tight on there on the loss. So 38.74. A little bit of profit, a little bit of breakthrough candle. I don't know. I don't see it. I don't see it on this, guys. I don't see it on this at all. I mean, that is just a lot of moving, a lot of turning around. You know, a lot of turning around. But also what we call a lot of oh, this is a really good line right here, by the way. I wish that this would go up here and hit this line. I so wish it would go up and hit this line right there. Let's zoom in and get that. Yeah, right there. That's about where it was hidden. Right about there. That's 30 minutes. Let's see if 10 minutes it stays up there. It's really right here is what I'm looking at. Boom, boom. If it hits that line right there. See if I guess I can set an alarm and wait for the next 10 minutes here to see if it can go up there. That would be a really tight high line. Do I think it's going there? Yeah, I do. I think it's going there. Let's see an hour. Yeah. It's been going up. It kind of retracted off that top. It's kind of retracted. Like, I don't know how long it's going to retract down. I want to take the call right now. Yeah, but it's iffy. Like, if I took a 10-minute call, you know, I'd probably feel pretty safe about that. Because it wants to keep going up. I look at it in 10 minutes. Yeah, it could go down to here. Well, it already did, kind of, didn't it? It's kind of playing there. Should have been a better call right down here. Kind of flattened out right here. We're way above this white line, and it touched it. That's hard to know. It's hard to know. But it went up here and it retracted before. I'm going to take a 5-minute here because I think it is kind of heading up. If I'm right, then we'll have a good amount of profit. 201, 37.69 and 201. 37. So I'm just going to try to see what this 30 plus 201. 39.70. Would this be right? 39.70 would be 1.6%. Pretty good. $134. Not a miracle, but you know, we look at it like it's going up that way. You know, like it's going up there. From here, I think it's going to go up there. That's what I think. Then it could. It's kind of at that top. Yeah, it could fart around a little bit here. But look, it wants to go up. It's kind of already done it's already played its down play. It's already played its down play. It's playing a little bit here. Like it wants to RSI touch and go up. Yeah, like it wants to go up from here. I'm playing off this big gamble that is going to break over this line right here in the next couple minutes. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah. I'll double that up there. I've made a lot of assumptions here now. The top of this thing, so it could be bad actually. Or it could be really good. I shouldn't trade like this with these big assumptions. Let's see here. It's getting back down to this. That's okay. It's down here. I got 2 minutes still on all this. Let's go back in and zoom in, get rid of some of these lines. That's the line I assume it's off of. That's the line I think. Let's look at 1 o'clock. Okay. This is a little bit more of what I think is going to happen. This is what I think is going to happen. Yeah, it's just at the bottom. There we go. I'm going to take one more 3-minute here. This is like my whole stop loss. Yeah, basically my whole stop loss on this 1 point. Pretty high. Let's watch and see what happens. I'm going to take this line off here. I shouldn't stack these up. I should not do that, but we've got 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes. The bottom one's got 2 minutes. These other ones are pretty low. These other ones don't have much time left. It's kind of stuck down here, isn't it? This 10-minute candle, it's kind of down where it is right here. This is sort of like a turnaround point right here. Sort of what I want to see it do right here. Let's turn around. I'm going to take 2 off the bottom there. Those are 5 minutes. There you go. So those up top lost. I think I'm down 2. Yeah, this is terrible. I should stop this because that's the okay. So I'm making assumptions on these really bad assumptions about this turnaround. This average line is sort of has broken under now. Unless it kind of goes back up, I could win these 2 in this other one. Looks like a minute is here. We're in a minute on this turnaround here. I don't think that's going to work, but it's got a minute. So let's see if it turns around. I think I just picked the wrong direction on this one. I'm gonna look around and see if there's anything else. I'm way outside of my stop loss at this point, so I can't just go guessing. I've got to find some good, good things, because these are just guesses. This one is really far down. It's kind of it kind of went further down than I thought that it would go. I thought it was going up to that top level. It kind of broke above this level, went up. I thought it was going to go to that top level. It didn't. It's kind of retracting, but overall, I think it will go up. But I don't think that these can win in terms of the way they are, how low they are. Yeah. See, I mean, if this turns around and goes up, I could win these two. I think I got two. Yeah, I got these two right here. So that could be good. I could get those two back, but that one lost. Okay. So that's 3. No, this was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lost on wrong direction. There were 4 lost on the wrong direction. Okay. Now, if this turns around and does go back up, that's possible that these win, and then I'm like, okay, then I could see myself winning these. Let's see here. 228. Yeah, this one right here. I'm going to double that one up. See if it turns and takes itself back up. From here, this is, man, 2 minutes. Okay, so it's got to go back up. Let's see what this is going to do. Yeah, I mean, that's possible if it starts going from here. Possible it could go up and win these 3. I think it could. It looks like it's starting to get its up pressure. As long as it doesn't bounce off that level, then these 3 could win. It's at a white line. It's a pretty dangerous spot, and it's moving kind of erratically. It's moving kind of slow right here. It makes me kind of nervous. Got a big push up. Let's see what happens in 30 seconds. It could go either way here. Got a minute left on all these. I wasn't sure. Yeah, I guess I played off this line up here. I played that it was going to break that line when it really felt like it wanted to. Maybe I psyched myself out looking at the 30-minute. Like I thought that this is what it was going to do. I thought that it was going to go from here and it was going to go this way and hit that line. It kind of went up. I thought it had plenty of juice to go up. Now it's just been, okay, 30 seconds. Let's see if we can at least win one of these or 2 of these. This one, yeah, it's kind of turning around. It's got a little bit of pressure on the upside, but nothing great. Let's see here. What do we got? 12 seconds. Oh man, this is still just trash. I should probably take this loss today and just say, hey, today's a loss. 31.39. Let's do the math. I know what's going on. Down 697. Down 8%. That's pretty far below where I want to be. Pretty far below my stop loss, guys. And not very good decisions being made there. I've got a call in an hour, actually, no, I've got a call soon. See, and I think the charts seem to be getting up to lines and then just sort of they're not really following. I mean, right here, it went way above that line and then I thought it was just a small pullback here. I thought, sure, it's going to go, right? But it's not. I didn't pick right on any of this level because, I mean, it has, yeah, I didn't pick right on any of these. It's kind of in the middle of its mess right here is what it is. It didn't go up. It didn't go up or down. Now I don't know. I mean, it could go completely just tank. It didn't make itself, see, it's at a pretty dangerous spot right now because it can consolidate. It did this in 10 minutes. Look, it went all the way down in 10 minutes. That's where I lost. I just thought it was I thought it would bounce here. It didn't. I thought it would go there. It didn't. Yeah. Thought it was going to go up. It didn't. That's a pretty big loss. It's a pretty big amount of losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thought it was going to, like here, look at this. This is a 10-minute line. You'd think it would just keep doing that. Let's look at the 30-minute. See, it's kind of played patty cake there. It's kind of at the bottom of a level, but it could continue up and down. It's got big wicks on it everywhere here. Let's see if I can find something that looks anything like it might actually do what it's supposed to do. This is interesting because now it's going back up, but I'm going to be very careful with that one because, like I said, it wasn't doing what I thought it was going to do. It didn't do anything of what I thought it was going to do. This one never reached the point of its impact. This one looks like it's still expanding. It's been kind of in a weird downtrend. Definitely played at the bottom, and then it sort of is heading back up. It's got 10 minutes here, but it's sweeping down. It came off the bottom. It came off the bottom there. Could go either way, but it's way outside of its mark there. So RSI touches are not necessarily obeying. Of course, that one did. Oh no, that was a nice RSI. But if you look at it just in the RSI, it might be obeying. Finding those RSIs to obey. CAD CHF, that one obeyed. That one did not. This one's kind of going down and getting chopped up here. Yeah, see, it's kind of getting chopped up on the bottom. But it's heading it's heading down. It's got what we call There we go. We'll pop that. That's a really solid RSI touch right there. Well, I mean, like a bounce. It's a really solid bounce off the bottom. Let's see if that can win. We'll pop on, see if we can find another bounce off the bottom here. This one was a very, very solid, nice touch on the top. This one, very solid touch on the top. Very good retraction off that. Not that it won't continue to go, but it kind of played itself there a little bit. This one's kind of like boom, boom. needs to feel like it's wow, look at that one. I mean, that one's a huge win. 23 seconds off this. I don't know where you can see it going to. It's way up here in this weird spot here. But it doesn't show me if it's going to keep going or if it's going to finally pop down. Okay, we'll take that one too. It could be that it breaks itself up, and that's a 1.5 minute. It's got a couple different levels up here. I can't really look at the levels. I think I just have to look at the pressure and the candle size to see if that one can do it. If this one's going to break up above, let's pop that one in too. This was a win. This one could be a win too. Look at that nice little RSI touch. This one's a nice little RSI touch. Big candle off the top. Got really tight up top. This one's the same way. I think it's going to turn around. Look how it wants to. Yeah, it wants to big time. Let's watch it in the 10-second. Oh yeah, look at that. Applying that pressure. Applying that pressure. Boom, boom. Let's pop that one down. Okay. This one's definitely a win. And that was a win. That was good. That was a win, and that was a win. This is a huge win. I want it down here on the bottom. I want it up at the top. I don't know if I'll do it again, but I'm going to watch this one because this one's got 23 seconds on this one. If it doesn't consolidate and it actually turns like it's wanting to, then we win this one in 15 seconds. And then we could win both of them, actually. There we go. 9, 8. Come on, baby. Hold this down. Oh, it's retracting. 4, 3, 2. Oh, that was a loss. I'm going to pop that one down off that same level. Pop this off the same level. 27 seconds on the first one. If it holds, if it holds up there, so I had a win, and then that was a loss, and then this could be a win and a win here too. See what happens. Kind of watch these in 10 seconds. Look at that. Oh baby, it's coming up. It's getting pressure. There we go. 5, 4, 3. I need this win. 2. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, it lost. That one lost. Let's see here. It's trying to. It's trying to win off that. That one was 24. Okay, so that one just totally goes up out of nowhere. Reaches up to this level. There, 30 seconds, 15 seconds off the top there. There, see, look, it's got this weird, even in 1 minute, it's got this weird pressure. Okay, so that bottom one was a loss. Let's see if this can pop off. This one right here has a big pressure down. It's got a big pressure off the top there. 12 seconds on that one, so that one probably can win. Uh-oh. I got to be very careful here, guys, because I'm losing, but I'm also losing very short, small places like that. Okay, I got to be done. I'm done. 29.12. This is going to be a bad loss for today. I feel it. 29.12. I already know the math is bad. I'm down 11%. All right, I'm out. That's going to be it for today because I'll come back tomorrow, take small trades, and take that all back. I've got to go on a Zoom call, and man, yeah, that feels like just tearing me apart there. That is tearing me apart. These charts are not moving the way I usually want them to, and I went way further than I should have. Let's see. So overall, if you look at what I'm at right now, up 23%. I'm up 23%. My total assets at 7,400. So, but this is bad being down 11%. I'd rather be down 11% and just, get that back tomorrow safely, trading off some lines that are real clean. And I'm not going to make a big giant trade right now. I'm a little bit under, I'm way under what I want to risk. 11%. That's not a good day. Not a good day. Not a good day. And is a lot of losses. See, this is real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a couple wins and then more losses. But these are just really small, ganky losses. So I can take that and just be safe. I've got to be really safe with my trading right now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be safe, and I'm going to call it out. I'm going to call it for today, just that I'm just going to let that be what it is. It's going to have to be what it is, because I'm not going to make a bunch more trades and lose my butt. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.